Good afternoon, students. Today we'll be learning a new command in Scratch called glide command. To understand this command, first we'll go to the stage area, and from the backdrops, we'll choose a backdrop for the stage, and in the backdrops, we'll scroll down till we come to the end, and here you will see XY grid. So here is the backdrop with the XY grid. This shows that the stage is made up of two coordinates, that is x coordinate and y coordinate. In the center of the stage here, the x value is 0 as well as the y value is 0. And as you move to the right hand side, you will see the x value is 240 at the right edge of the stage, but the y value is still 0 here. So in the middle of the stage, x and y both are 0. As you go to the right hand side, x value increases. And as you go to the left hand side of the center, the x value decreases. It becomes negative. And at the border of the stage, here the x value is minus 240. Same way, if you move up from the center, the y value will keep increasing till it becomes 180. And if you go down from the center, the y value will decrease and it will become minus 180. Now, every sprite has the x and y coordinates on the stage. So here, for the cat sprite, if you see in the sprite's pane, the x value at present is minus 33 and the y value is 19. If I move him here, the x value has changed to 102 and the y value to 17. If I make him go up, the y value has increased. Now in the motion blocks here in the coding, when you scroll down, you will see three boxes. The first one here is X position. When you click the tick in this checkbox, when you click in this checkbox here, you will see that the sprite 1 X position is showing on the stage, and the value of the X position is what here is shown here in this sprite pane, that is 110. Now, if I bring him here, the X value has become 0. If I bring him here, the X value has become negative because he is on the left hand side of the center of the stage. If I bring him down, the y value has become negative. If I bring him up, the y value has increased. And the same here, it is showing x position, but if I put a check mark here in this for y position, we'll be able to see the y position as well for this sprite. So every sprite that you have in your project will have the x and y coordinates. Now here in the motion blocks, we have a command called go to xy. With the go to xy command, you can change the coordinates of x and y and make the cat sprite go at that particular value. So if I say here go to x0 and also y0, now even if the cat is here, but as soon as I press this button, the cat goes to the center of the stage where both x and y are 0. So we can have from events when green flag clicked, supposingly, okay, I will now change the backdrop to castle. And now if I want that my cat in the beginning should be standing here. So this is the beginning position I want for my cat. I'll just delete this go to xy and go back into the motion. So you, when I drag this go to xy, you will see that the present x position, that is minus 196, is showing here in the go to command, and also the same for the y block. Now when I attach this here and then I make my character move from here, I want him to move till here. This is the new position I want for him. And also in motion, I bring this glide command here. Sorry, that was a random glide command I did by mistake. So I bring him here At the new position, I drag him and bring it first, and then use this glide command that glide in 1 second to this new x and y position. Can you see this x 184 here also, y minus 11 here also, and drag it and place it here. Now, when I press the green flag, as soon as I press the green flag, the character will start from this beginning position. So I'll put a wait over here from control. I want him to wait for 1 second. So now when I press the green flag, he goes to this position, waits for 1 second, and then glides in 1 second to the new x and y coordinates. So the go to xy can be used when you want to set the beginning position of a character to a particular place, or you want him to go to a particular point when something happens. Let me play this one more time. When I press the go button, it goes to this new position, the first position, and then in 1 second it glides to the new position. In the glide block, I can change the number of seconds. I can delete this and write supposedly 3 seconds. So now when I press the green flag, in 3 seconds, he's going to glide from this position to that position. That means he's walking little slowly. The more number of seconds he takes to glide, he walks slower. Also in motion, we have the command called change x by 10. So supposingly I remove supposingly after this now I say change x by 40. Now let us run this again. So he waits here, glides, and now after this he moves further 40 steps. Can you see the x position was 184 earlier? 184 plus 40 will be 224. So the cat's x position changes by 40. However, the y position remains the same as minus 11. So at any point of time, if you want to change only the x coordinate, that is the horizontal position of a character, you can change x by a particular number. If suppose here I say I want to give a negative number, minus 90. Now let us see what happens. So, or I'll say minus 80. So now when I press the green flag, it will go to 184 position of x, and then it moves back minus 80 steps in the x horizontal position, and the x position becomes 104. Same way you can use the set x2. If you want to set as we use the go to command, you can just set the position of x value. Instead of both x and y, if you want to only set the position of x, you can use the set x. In the same way, you can set the value for y coordinate and also change the y coordinate. Y will supposedly now here I attach this block and change y by 40, 49 supposedly. So now when I run this, so the cat will now, okay, I'll first wait so that you understand how it is happening. Now when I run this, it is standing here and then it moves up 49 steps. If I want him to go down, I change y by minus 30 supposedly. And now when I run this, it stands here and then it moves down 30 steps. I hope you understood the x and y coordinates on the stage and how to change the go to xy command and to make the character glide from one position to another. Happy coding!